After flying through the night, the Special Forces team are about to land. In a stunning attack, Hammerhead drone, Ghost 7 and Ghost 8 have taken out most of the main threats to the assault teams. They are now low on fuel and will have to start heading home soon. Ghost 7 from Use 1 fuel state over. Ghost 7 10 minutes loiter left. Use 1 to Ghost 8 fuel state over. Ghost 8 5 minutes loiter left. Ghost 7 provide overwatch. Ghost 8 move 10 miles to the south. Eyeball 1 first light Alpha Golf 3-4 inbound. Ghost 7 2 hostiles rear of T-72. 2 hostiles Nick 1 top. 1 hostile Nick 1 front door. Eyeball 1 copy. Golf Sierra 1 engage hostiles rear of T-72. Golf Sierra 1 received engaging. With multiple friendly aircraft in enemy skies, Muse 1 will now deconflict the airspace to prevent collisions. Muse 1 to Golf Sierra 1, your attack run will be west to east, copy. Golf Sierra 1, copy. Alpha Golf 1, 2, 3, hold 1 minute south of objective, copy. Alpha Golf lead, copy. Muse 1, Golf Sierra 1, be aware you have friendlies to your south, copy. Golf Sierra 1, copy. Electrode 1, threat north, 100 miles. Big Bird radar. Electrode 1 to Pipple up lead. Commence jamming. Copy. Pipple up lead. Commencing. Eyeball 1. LZ is clear. Say again. LZ is clear. Eyeball 1 to Golf Sierra 1. Start attack run. East to west. Weapon. Minigun. Engage hostiles behind T-72. Copy. Golf Sierra 1. Copy. East to west. Engage with minigun. Targets behind T-72. Target, machine gunner, prone position, 5 or 6 to kill. No kill. Golf Sierra 1 taking fire. Eyeball 1, no kill. The PMC on the roof engages, 6 to kill. No kill. Ghost 7, bingo fuel, confirm, no kill. Golf 7, all units. LZ to west is covered by MG. Repeat, covered by MG. Muse 1 received, Ghost 7
Alpha Golf 4, Alpha Golf 5, inserting LZ south.
Muse 1, Alpha Golf 1, 2 and 3, change. You will insert east and run east to west. Copy. Alpha Golf lead, holding south. Copy.
Alpha Golf 4, Alpha Golf 5, on ground.
Muse 1, let me know when clear. Muse 1, Alpha Golf 4 and 5, clear to southeast.
Alpha Golf 4, 5, clearing southeast.
Muse 1 to Alpha Golf 1, 2, 3, commence your running southwest south to LZ on east. Copy. Alpha lead, copy, running in. Alpha Golf 4, 5, suppressive fire on objective. Copy. Alpha Golf 4, 5, suppressive now. Alpha Golf 1 on ground. Alpha Golf 3, target, roof of Nick 1. Target is the PMC on the roof. 5 or 6 to kill. Kill. Alpha Golf 3, good kill, units on ground. The insertion has been a success. Now they must capture Rivet counter.